Guys, check out my tomato plants right here. I haven't done anything to them other than just let them grow. I haven't taken away the suckers. At this point, I got to stake them again, get bigger stakes. You can tell. Look at all the flowers. In fact, we have a bunch of little tomatoes already coming. Had a few leaves that got a little damaged, but pretty much no other problem whatsoever. And that was from the cold weather down here in South Florida. It doesn't usually get too cold down here. We had a couple of spells where it got cold there for several days into the low 40s, which is pretty cold for us. Anyway, also I wanted to show you these tomato clips, which are great. You can put them on and then just take them right out when you're done and save them for the next season. But especially if you stake them, you can just use those. Or I also have tomato hooks on my website if you want to buy some, and you can use them with that as well. So you can check it out. Have the link below. Just wanted to give you a little quick update on all my tomatoes right here, which are doing really good. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless.